Hello, this is Gihan Perera. How are you progressing on your AI journey? I was attending an AI event last week, and during one of the breaks, I was speaking to another participant who runs a small business. And he said to me, I use AI every day, and our customers think I'm a genius, think we're a genius. Because using AI, we can actually do things that previously only larger organizations could have done. So customers love the way that we can deliver more value to them. And this is true in every area. AI absolutely allows you to do things that better than, more than, and in ways that possibly weren't available to you in the past. And if you're a small or medium-sized enterprise, it actually can let you do things that only large organizations could have done before. And if you're in a large organization and you're not using AI effectively, well, you could be facing competition from two areas. One is your current competitors who are using AI to compete and outcompete against you. And second, from these small organizations who you wouldn't have thought of as competitors before, but because they're harnessing the power of AI, they're able to now compete with you. So how are you progressing on that AI journey? And I want to point out that it's not about the technology. Technology is important, but it's about your people first. Are you bringing your people along on that AI journey? And if you're not, and you're only looking at the technology, only looking at the AI, you won't make any progress, because it's the people that you want to bring on that journey. And smaller organizations often have an advantage because they've got people who are keen, enthusiastic, excited about AI, and everyone jumps in and they go on their journey together. This can be true of larger organizations as well, but not necessarily. So make sure you're bringing your people along on the journey. If you'd like to know more about this, I'm running a free public online presentation soon, a virtual masterclass about bringing your people on the AI journey. It's about people-powered AI. You'll find the registration link here. It's free, it's public, it's open to everybody. So please register and come along to hear about how you can do some simple things to make that journey easier and faster. And because it's open to everybody, feel free to share this with other leaders, managers in your team, your organization, and your wider network as well. I'm sure you'll get value from it. I'll see you in the future.